In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use any payment provider on GoHighLevel. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go inside your account, how to connect your preferred payment providers, and how to configure them so they work smoothly across different channels in your business. Let's start inside your GoHighLevel account on the main dashboard. From here, the first place you want to go is the Launchpad. The Launchpad is essentially your home base for setup tasks and key features. If you're not already there, look for the section or menu item labeled Launchpad and click into it. This is where GoHighLevel groups a lot of your core configuration options, including payments. Once you're inside the Launchpad, look for the option labeled Payments and click on it. This will take you into the payments area of your account where you manage everything related to collecting money from your clients, such as invoices, subscriptions, and most importantly for this video, integrations with payment providers. Inside the payments section, you'll see different tabs or menu options. Find the one labeled integrations and click on that. The integrations area is where GoHighLevel lets you connect external services to your account, and this is exactly where your payment providers will live. As soon as you open the integrations page, you'll be presented with a list of payment providers that are available to connect. These might include some of the most common options supported by GoHighLevel. Take a moment to scroll through and see what's already there. This is your default list of providers that you can start using right away. If you don't see the provider you're looking for, or you want to explore more options, look for the button or link that says search for more and click on it. This expands the catalog and shows additional providers that aren't immediately visible in the default list. It's a great way to find region-specific options or providers tailored to different business needs. When you find the provider you want to use, simply click the Connect button next to its name. You'll be redirected to a login or authorization page for that provider. Here, you just log in with your existing account details for that payment platform and approve the connection. Follow the prompts on screen. It's usually just a matter of confirming access, and the integration will complete automatically. Once your provider or providers are connected, go back to the integrations area and look for an option called Configure Providers. Click on Configure Providers to fine-tune how each payment provider is used across different channels. For example, you can choose one provider for invoices, another for funnels, or different ones for various regions if that's how your business operates. Use this configuration area to match the right provider to the right use case in your workflow. When you're done, your GoHighLevel account will be set up to use the payment providers you prefer exactly where you need them, with everything integrated